Good morning, guys. We're going to get started with our tests. So first we're going to do the spelling test. So on number 1, you are going to spell the word did, did, did. Number 2, you. Number 3, get, get. Number 4, we, e. Number 5, see, e. Number 6, he, e. Number 7, be, e. Number 8, hot, hot. Number 9, hand, and number 10, hat, hat. Okay, on the sentences, your first sentence is, did you see the dog run? Did you see the dog run? And the second sentence, my hand is hot. My hand is hot. Okay, so that is the end of the spelling test. Next, we are going to do the Saxon test. So on the Saxon test on number 1, you are going to be spelling the word get, get. Number 2 is back, back. Number 3, pick, pick. Number 4, ask, ask. And number 5, can, can. Just a reminder, there needs to be a letter on each line, okay? All right, down here are the letters. You're going to draw a line from the letter sound to the picture. So you have elephant, monkey, duck. Okay, draw a line from the letter sound to the picture. All right, then up here you're going to code the words. Okay, you have digraphs that you need to underline. You have vowels that need breves. And you have some AC that needs a K back. So make sure that you're coding those words. You have sack, milk, snack, and crab. Then down here you have your letter blends. You need to draw a line from the letter to the picture. So you have bread, splinter, straw, scarf, and block. Okay? All right. Then your next test is going to be the comprehension story. You can use your book. So the first question is on page 40. At the beginning of the story, what color was Bluebird? What color was Bluebird at the beginning of the story? Gray or blue? Number 2, the answer is on page 41. What did Graybird see at the lake? What did Graybird see at the lake? A bee, a butterfly. Number 3, the answer is on page 43. What did Butterfly tell Graybird to do in order to turn blue? What did Graybird have to do to turn blue? Swim in the lake, thank the lake. Okay, number 4. The answer is on page 46. How many days did Coyote go into the lake? Think about this. Coyote didn't listen to the rules. How many days did he go into the lake? 1 day or 4 days? All right. Then on page, on page 46, did Coyote thank the lake? Yes or no? On page 48, What happened after Coyote fell? What happened to him when he fell? He was dusty and dull. He was blue. Number 7, the answer is on page 48. What color is Bluebird at the end of the story? What color did Bluebird turn at the end of the story? Gray, blue, or green? Number 8, what is the author's main message in the story? What is the whole message from the story? What are we learning? To be brave or to be thankful? Okay. Number 9, which word means the opposite of bright? Which word means the opposite of bright? Color, dull, or lake? Okay, and number 10, when people do something nice for you, you what them? What do you do when somebody does something nice for you? You thank them, you ignore them, or you shake them. All right, so that's the end of the comprehension test. The last test that we are going to do is your math test. All right, so up here, what it wants you to do is to circle the add-ins. Look for the two numbers that are the add-ins, the two numbers you add together, and circle both of those numbers. Then it wants you to underline the sum. Remember, the sum is the answer. Underline the answer. Okay, down here on number 2, it wants you to add the two numbers together. 3 ants. So you can draw with crayons, or you can draw circles to help you add. So you have 3 ants. Then 5 more ants came. So how many ants are there now? Put your answer on the line. The next one wants you to add the two numbers together, 2 plus 4. So there were 2 owls. Then 4 more owls came. How many owls are there now? Write your answer. Okay, the next one down here, it says to write the answer, 0 plus 5. Okay, you can draw circles to answer the question. So 0 plus 5. Draw your circles and then put your answer. The next one, 6 plus 0. So you're going to draw your 6 plus 0. How many circles do you have now? Put your answer. Okay, then on the back, it wants to know how many ladybugs are there. Count up the ladybugs and circle your answer. Then on number 7, it wants to know what is another way to get the answer 9. Okay, remember we talked about flipping our add-ins. Here's your add-ins and you flip them. Which answer down here shows the two add-ins flipped to still get the same answer? Okay, then on number 8, it wants to know which answer choice down here equals 10. Okay, so you need to add up both numbers on each answer choice and see which one equals 10. Okay, then down here it says that there are 3 red books, here they are, and 3 green books. How many books are there all together? Circle your answer. Okay, and then down here at the bottom, it says Ella sorts 9 marbles in 2 boxes. Which is a way that she can sort the marbles? Okay, well, she only has 9 marbles. She only has 9. So which answer choice shows 2 numbers that equal 9? And circle your answer. Okay, all right. So I'll need a picture of all of those tests. And that is all that I have for you today. So I hope you have a great weekend.